Persuasive writing. What is it? Persuasive writing is to convince the reader to believe in an idea or an opinion and to do an action. There's a certain criteria or a certain way you write something, a persuasive piece of writing, and I'm going to go through that with you now. You're going to tell the reader how you feel about the topic. So that's what you do first. You give your opinion. Do you agree or disagree? And these are some sentence starters that you can use. I think, I believe, I am writing to, in my opinion, I like, I dislike, or my favourite. Once you've told the reader exactly what your opinion is, then you have to give some reasons or information to support your opinion. You have to explain why you feel that way. Some ways you can start by doing this is firstly, secondly, thirdly, also, likewise, and definitely because. Once you've given that reason, then you need to give, in that same paragraph, you need to give some examples and some details that support your opinion and explain why you feel that way. Some sentence starters that you can use are, for example, in fact, for instance, as evidence. And of course, once we get to the end of your persuasive writing, then you need to restate what your opinion was and how you feel about the topic. And some ways that you can do this as sentence starters are, for these reasons, as you can see, in other words, or another one is in short. So that's how to write some persuasive writing. Here's a bit of an example. If you have a look at the opinion, so first of all, you choose a topic, decide what you are persuading or convincing the reader to believe or do. Here are some examples about what your persuasion could be. It could be a debate, an advertisement, a review, a letter, a speech, a leaflet, a poster, and you're arguing a point of view. So first you state your opinion to tell the reader how you feel about a topic. And an example here that we used is, I think dogs are the best animal. It's clear what you think. The reason is that dogs are cute and cuddly and they are great pets. So that's the reason you think dogs are the best animal. And examples of this are dogs can get your newspaper too, which is very handy. And then again, you state your opinion for the last paragraph. So you, because you want to remind the reader about what your opinion was. So in this one here about the dogs, that is why I think dogs are the best animal. So this is how you write a persuasive piece of writing.